Welcome to my Research Express. In this video, we will learn how to perform a multiple regression in MATLAB. If the function y depends on multiple independent variables, the matrix equations that describe the relationships between these variables can be extended to incorporate the extra data. Assume that we collect data for the quantity y at various values of the parameters x1 and x2. And a multivariate model of the data is. Multiple regression solves for unknown coefficients a1, a2, and a3 by performing a least squares fit. In MATLAB, we can solve these coefficients by using the backslash operator. Then, based on this result, the least squares fit model of the data is. To verify the model's accuracy, determine the maximum absolute deviation between the data and the model. This is sufficiently small to give us the assurance that the model fits the data in a satisfactory manner. Now, let's find out which variable x contributes the most to y. In other words, which x has the most influence on y. This question has a straightforward answer. We can identify the main contributor by analyzing the coefficients associated with the independent variables. In this example, x1 has a higher coefficient value. This indicates that x1 has a more significant impact on y. Based on the equation, we can provide a comprehensive interpretation like this. A 1-unit change in x1 results in a y change of 0.4844 units while keeping other variables constant. On the other hand, a 1-unit change in x2 leads to a substantial y change of 2,847 units while keeping other variables constant. Therefore, x1 influence on y is greater compared to x2. That's all for this video. For a more comprehensive explanation and step-by-step guide, please go to the link in the description. If you find this video useful and helpful, please support me by clicking the like and subscribe buttons. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss the other learning videos from my Research Express, your gateway to data analysis mastery. Thank you for watching.